Today we'll be making Apam Balik. This is Malaysia's famous street food. Let's look at the ingredients that we'll be needing. Baking powder, sugar, water, flour, salt, and an egg. Peanut powder, melted butter, and sweet corn. Now, first step is to break an egg into your mixing bowl. Now add in sugar. I'm using half a cup of sugar and stir it well. Now add in 1.5 cups of water and stir it well. Add in 2 tablespoons of melted butter. Stir it. Now add in the flour. I'm using 2 cups of flour. Continue to mix it. Now we can add in the baking powder. So baking powder, I'm using half a tablespoon. Add in a pinch of salt. Mix it. Once it's well mixed, the mixture should look like this, nice and smooth. This can take a while to mix it until it's nice and smooth. You can also choose to blend it if you wish. Alright, so once this is done, we'll keep it aside for 1 hour.
1 hour later.
And after an hour, we can start frying it. So a frying pan is already prepared and buttered. Now I'll add in the mixture. Let it cook on medium heat. Once the middle starts to bubble, you can add in sugar, peanut powder, and you can add in sweet corn as well, but for this I prefer without sweet corn. Once you can see it starts to become golden brown, you can flip it into half and serve it. So a big tip is to make sure not to use high heat when cooking so that you can get this nice golden brown. This is my version of Apam Balik Nipis made at home. If you want to try it, go ahead and you won't regret it. Thanks for watching. If you liked it, give us a thumbs up, leave us a comment, and don't forget to subscribe.